pumapalakpak. Diba?
Yes.
Mga mentors sila pumapalakpak din.
At para silang mga stage mom and stage dad.
Yes. And of course,
Their
pag
children.
meron kang member na naging milyonaryo, validation yun eh.
Correct. And of course, the next award goes to
Sanosia S. Aguam.
Okay? Sanosia S. Aguam.
Sanosia S. Aguam.
Sanosia.
Sanosia.
And I think the Apan is also, I think the Apan is the, all the way from Mindanao.
Mindanao. Yes.
All over the Philippines.
All over, anywhere in the Philippines.
Yes.
And even the world.
Next is Maria Aldresa A. Arcalas.
Maria Arcalas. And then may mga awards, excited na tawagin sila eh.
Next is Irene B. Patco.
Although hindi sila, moment nila yan.
Correct. This is their moment, yung pinagtrabahuan nila ng ilang buwan. Now is the time for harvest.
Yes.
Kumita ka na, sikat ka pa.
Awarded ka ba?
Awarded ka pa, maganda ka pa. Royal ka talaga.
Correct.
Next, Josephine B. Gimoro.
Miss Josephine Gimoro.
Next, Nixon B. Soliman.